I have to say one more thing about the former CFU and CONCACAF president and FIFA vice president, Austin Jack Warner. I can't believe because the man has fallen from grace. So many people trying to devalue and belittle his pioneering contribution to the region's football. And don't get it twisted, I am not here to defend Jack Warner's alleged wrongdoings. But I think the good he did for the region's football outweighs the bad. Warner was the man who opened the eyes of the Caribbean people to the fact that as little and as poor as we are, we can be respected by the big boys of football. Warner had the political sense to understand that in a one vote, one country FIFA governance structure, despite the disparity in size and wealth, no country, no more than none. And motivated by that reality, Warner organized the 25 Caribbean countries into a united voting bloc that he used to negotiate several benefits for the Caribbean members, including bigger and more equitable distribution of FIFA's vast wealth amongst member nations. No one can deny Jack Warner's pivotal role in securing additional World Cup qualifying spots for the region. I mean, that move led to the pipe dream of many Jamaicans turning into a reality as we witnessed our national team grace the World Cup stage. Love him or hate him, you must give Jack Warner his due and stop being ungrateful. Yeah!